Hello everyone, this is Olaf. We have arrived in Paris today and we're just strolling around trying to capture some interesting scenes. I just spent the last 15 minutes by this glass and the sun is going down slowly. It provides us with quite interesting reflections, so I try to play with it. But we have a few more days. The Visual Poet Workshop starts on Friday, so we go Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I still have about 2 or 3 days just to shoot by myself. So you may recognize this place because this morning Ibarionex and I were photographing in this spot, and you notice that light is much different. We photograph in the morning. Right now it's 4 p.m. So the shot that we got this morning we wouldn't be able to get right now. Why I'm talking about this? Because when you travel and when you walk around the city, it pays off to look at the light in your favorite locations. And sometimes, yes, you need to come back afternoon, sometimes you need to come back the next day, but light, great light, is essential in a strong image. So right now we would have to rethink the entire composition, and even probably if I walked in here right now, I wouldn't take any shot because the light is everywhere where I don't need it. So pay attention to light. When you think about composition and you don't have idea how to frame the shot, one of the most important things to think about is light. I just want to give you an example. Take a look at the scene right here. You have a beautiful entrance with the gorgeous elevation, and in the background you have the building in a very strong light. All you need to do is to underexpose it. In other words, make your photo darker, okay? And most cameras has this knob. Some cameras call it EV, uh, exposure compensation, but this is the way to do it. And you will see the photo that I took just a few minutes ago. Actually, I like the guy, how he was standing. So I just took a photo of a very famous brand new bridge in Paris. Take a look. That's the first photo ever.